Are your 3D prints just good enough, but not perfect? What if I told you that with just 5 simple steps, you could transform your print quality and even turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle? Stick around, because today, we're unlocking the secrets to tuning your 3D printer like a pro. Welcome to the channel, where we turn your 3D printing hobby into something truly extraordinary. Whether you're a newbie struggling with stringing and layer shifts or someone dreaming of selling perfectly printed products, this video is for you. We'll cover the top 5 tuning tips to elevate your print quality, and who knows, you might just discover how these improvements could open doors to profit-making opportunities. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Bed leveling and first layer perfection. Let's start with the foundation of every great print, bed leveling. A poorly leveled bed is the #1 culprit behind failed prints. If your first layer doesn't stick, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Here's how to fix it. Most entry-level printers come with manual leveling knobs. Use the classic paper test. Slide a piece of paper under the nozzle and adjust until you feel slight resistance. If you've got an auto-leveling printer, make sure the sensors are calibrated. Even auto-leveling systems need a bit of fine-tuning now and then. Why it matters? A perfect first layer isn't just satisfying to watch, it's the foundation of a flawless print. Plus, if you're planning to sell your prints, that professional quality starts right here. Quick tip: keep your bed clean. Residual oils from your fingers can ruin adhesion. Use isopropyl alcohol to wipe it down regularly if suitable for your bed type. Step 2. Dialing in print temperatures. Temperature settings can make or break your prints. Too hot, and you'll end up with stringing and saggy details. Too cold, and layers may not bond properly. To get it right, print a temperature tower, a simple test model that reveals how your filament behaves at different temperatures. Check your filament spool for manufacturer recommendations, but don't be afraid to experiment slightly within that range. Once you've nailed your temperature, your prints will not only look better but also feel stronger, a key factor if you're selling intricate items. Quick thought: isn't it amazing how something as small as 5 degrees can make such a huge difference? Think of it as fine-tuning a recipe for success. Step 3. Optimizing print speeds. Speed and quality are a balancing act. Printing too fast can lead to ghosting or poor surface quality. Too slow, and you're wasting valuable time you could use to churn out more products for potential customers. Here's the sweet spot. For detailed prints, try slowing your speeds to around 40 to 60 mm per second. For larger, less detailed items, you can push it to 80 to 100 mm per second. Pro tip: your acceleration and jerk settings in the slicer also affect print quality. Lower these for intricate designs to avoid wobbles and artifacts. And remember, if you're selling your prints, efficiency equals profit. The faster you can produce high-quality items, the better your margins. Step 4. Mastering retraction settings. Stringing, those pesky, web-like strands between parts of your print, is every beginner's nightmare. The solution? Retraction tuning. Follow these steps. Print a retraction tower to test different distances and speeds. Start with 5 mm at 50 mm per second and tweak as needed. Check your nozzle and Bowden tube, if applicable. Sometimes, a clog or wear can mess up retraction performance. Once you master retraction, you'll achieve cleaner prints with fewer post-processing headaches. And cleaner prints mean happier customers if you're selling online. Fun fact: stringing is like bad hair days for your 3D printer. A little care goes a long way. Step 5. Slicer settings and calibration models. Your slicer is the brain behind every print. Tuning your slicer settings can take your print quality from meh to wow. Key settings to tweak. Layer height. Lower it for detailed prints. 0.1 mm is great for small, intricate designs. Infill percentage. For sturdy products, increase it to 25–50%. For decorative items, 10–15% is often enough. Wall thickness. Thicker walls equal stronger prints, which is a big selling point for practical items. Calibration models like Benchy or a Cube can help you test these settings. Once everything's dialed in, save the profiles for future use. Consistency is key, especially when producing items for sale. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to transform your print quality and take your 3D printing game to the next level. Let's recap. Level your bed and nail the first layer. Optimize your print temperatures. Find the right balance with print speeds. Master retraction to eliminate stringing. Fine-tune your slicer settings for consistent results. Whether you're printing for fun or looking to sell your creations, these tips will set you up for success. Remember, every print is a learning experience, so don't be afraid to experiment and refine your process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 3D printing tips and tricks. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest 3D printing challenge right now? Let's solve it together. Until next time, happy printing!